Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my February Witchcraft Way box. Let's check it out. I see a rose. Self-love spell. We'll get to this part later. Alright, let's check out what we got. We got a pretty bath bomb. Good witch. Crazy Love. Arrowroot powder, Himalayan salt, essential oils, coconut oil, jojoba, sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, citric acid, and organic mica powder, and love. Drop in the bath, set the intention, thank the universe. Smells good. Okay. Ooh, we got a little vial. The Empress and Romantic Dream. Oh, the Empress and the Hierophant. Hey, I'm the Hierophant. And I want to be the Empress. I'd love to have a big old fertile pregnant belly. We'll see how it goes. Romantic Dreams. Ooh, it smells good. Like a perfume that I recognize. Wow, I love it. Maybe like Chanel No. 5, but not, I don't know. Maybe something familiar like that. It gives me that kind of vibe. We got a little pink candle. I don't want to completely unwrap it. Love's Enchantment. There's probably more of it on the paper. Alright. Ooh, we got something in here. Oh, pretty. What is it? A tourmaline? Looks like a tourmaline. Modestly sized. Red Hot Love Organic Herbal Blend. Ritually created using all organic ingredients. Brew as a beverage. Adorn spell candles. Add to anointing oil. Sachets, poppets, mojo bags, spell bags, ritual baths. All types of love spell workings. I actually need to renew. Sugar Muses had a love spell last February, and it's been hanging around being used for a while, and it needs to be renewed. Very beautiful. Lavender, rose petals, lemon balm leaf, hibiscus, passion flower, chamomile, cloves, orange peel, ground shatavari root, ground damiana, catnip, rosemary, ground robios, ground beetroot, calendula petals, cornflower petals. Wow, beautiful. I like the smell. We've got a pretty little pendulum. Pendulum board use. And love charms. A little book. I don't like to do love magic, but I do like the little, like, this seems like something that would interest me. Different poetry and sayings, quotes, little spells. I like that a lot. Practical stuff. So definitely let's check this out. So Love's Enchantment Votive. The Love Votive is designed to open you to the ultimate source of love, blended with the magic to bring about understanding of the love that starts within self. When there is self-love, you feel deserving of all good things. The Love Charm book. A treasury of love charms. Oh wait, this one was by Coventry Candles, and the book is by The Witch's Almanac. Hey, I love The Witch's Almanac. The treasury of love charms to celebrate the joy and blessings of love now and ever after. Use this wonderful book to add energy and intended to your love spells and rituals. The Witch's Almanac is the truth. If you haven't seen my almanac thing, my almanac live, go back and watch it. They're really good. Good information. It's a keepsake. I've kept all of my almanacs for the last several years, and I intend to do them basically forever. Red Hot Love Herbal Blend. This smells amazing. Intended for use while performing any kind of love, magic, ritual, and spell work. Can be used for romance, sex, magic, lust, and attraction spells, as well as love drawing spells and self-love. Oh, it's a rubellite. When it comes to love and relationships, rubellite will soothe an overly emotional heart. It will calm your emotions and make you focus on the love that you desire to create. So this is Crystal River Gems, and this is Morgus Nest. This is Good Witch LA. Love Spell Bath Bomb. These bath bombs are different than your ordinary bath bombs. They're 100% organic and created by empath hands filled with herbs, scents, and set with intentions to help in bathing rituals. It's the Pendulum Board, Natural Mystic on Etsy. This full color pendulum board in tandem with your love spells and rituals will divine your best course forward as you listen. Romantic Dreams Oil, handmade and hand charged magical oil to evoke romance, sleep, and dreams, used to complement dream work. Apply concentrated oil directly to candle to complement spells, and remember to dilute. I imagine dilute before you use on your skin. Empress and the Hierophant. EmpressandHierophant.com. So, this is nice. The items are nice. So I would say the book is probably my favorite just because the Witch's Almanac is really something I cherish. And I like the structure on the inside. I would say I really like the smell of this. This is intensely scented. The bath bomb's really pretty. I like this a lot. The stone, I don't know what a rubellite is. I'd have to look into it because it seems modestly sized, kind of small. And the candle's cool. I like it, but I feel like the pendulum board is kind of like misplaced. It's odd to have a pendulum board in a box that has no pendulum. And as you know, like for me, cohesive themes are really important to me. And I feel like whereas we went from moon last time to love this time, love's already a hard theme for me, so I could be just overly critical, and I really am. This one felt a little bit more disjointed. Actually, I'd say probably these ones are good. This one just threw me off. Otherwise, nice box. Check it out. I'll leave a link below. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.